Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Newman. I'm the chairman of the Massage Therapy Department at ASA College. We're here at Brookdale Medical Center to service the nurses, our healthcare heroes. We come during Nurses Week to deliver massage therapy to improve circulation as well as muscle tone for our health heroes here at Brookdale Hospital.
It has been an honor and a privilege to be part of Nurses Appreciation Month here at Brookdale Hospital. And as an ASA college student in massage therapy, we've been given the honor of coming here and helping the nurses, their day-to-day daily grind, just relax for at least 10 minutes during their day.
Have you been enjoying our services?
Yes.
How have our students been treating you guys?
Very good. It was very refreshing, very relaxing. I really enjoyed it.
Oh, that's
Release
wonderful.
all the tension.
Yeah. Well, look, on behalf of the community, we thank you for your services. Look, this is 1 day, 1 week, but you work all around the year.
Yes, we sure do.
Dedicated
Very hard.
to our health and safety
Yes,
as the least we could do.
and we appreciate it. Thank you.
And we appreciate the job that you do.
Hi, I just wanted to say thank you to ASA College for the massage that I got. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chilia Wanme Sabansatit. I'm from Thailand. The reason I choose ASA College because they offer the massage therapy program. So I would like to enhance my study to further my career in the future as a massage therapist. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Diani Marte. I'm studying massage therapy at ASA College. I chose massage therapy because I like to help people around me in what better way than with my own hands. In the future, I plan to run my own business, not only with massage, but with different services like nails, hair, and skin.
My name is Gailin Orange and I'm a student on ASA College. And I remember the first time I was looking for a college, and ASA for me is the best college for massage therapy. Massage therapy with a great teachers, with great teachers who carefully teach you everything you have to know about massage. And I totally feel comfortable in the college with the teachers, with the students. Everything is great over there. And I feel comfortable and ready to go out and work with people, to give massage with people who needs to feel good, who needs some therapy, and they teach you everything about that. So ASA College is the best.
I just wanted to say thank you to you guys. I got an invigorating massage. I had the opportunity to meet Miss Allegra, who gave me my massage, and I think her hands was like magical. I called them M1 and M2. I went in there with like my back stiff like a board, but I'm so supple now. I'm so invigorated. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it.
Thank you, ASA College, for the massage. I really enjoy it. Oh, I hope to see you again next year. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless.
The students that we have here today, you've seen some of them, are seniors and are about to graduate our program and sit for the licensing exam, the New York State licensing exam, to achieve a license in massage therapy so that they will be able to treat the public independently as an independent practitioner. Most of our graduates work for spas for a period of time, but the opportunities are tremendous. They can not only work for themselves and spas, but they can integrate themselves into our healthcare system these days, working for hospitals like Hospital for Special Surgery or Sloan Kettering Cancer Institute after they get enough experience in the industry. So there are many opportunities for massage therapists. They are in demand, the salaries are very good, and I would encourage anyone interested in this profession to take a look at our website, scroll down to our vertical for massage therapy. There's a lot of information there. There are many rules and regulations from the Massage Therapy Board, which is governed by the New York State Office of Professionals in coordination with the New York State Department of Education. Thanks for your time and have a great day.